All right, so I'm just going to cover what's going to be inside the Legendary Leads Partner Program. Basically, this is going to be the core software I'm focused on building over the next 6 months. Anything tertiary, I'll be pulling into this software, as additional features and bonuses and stuff like that. So basically, it's an inbound and outbound marketing automation tool. It's got a lot of features to it. Some of your clients aren't going to need everything. We could strip it down to just what they need to prevent overwhelm and stuff like that. But I'm just going to get into it right here. So what you guys will get as partners, you're of course going to get, your own account of the software, and I'll be there to help you set it up, learn how to use it, and automate your own business. You'll also be getting 100 reseller accounts. So with a reseller account, you can go out and set your own price, keep 100% of the revenue, basically, and then send them to a form. You'll, have your own customers, and I'll set them up once they go through that form on the platform. So basically, you collect the revenue. They'll be on Legendary Leads app, and I'll have my support and all that stuff there for them. And you're also going to get some swag. So you guys can represent the brand. We can build this thing together if you guys want to go that route. It could also just be, a little software that you set people up on and stuff like that too. So a couple of the things it can do, we've got the SMS Autoresponder. So people can text in a keyword, like demo is mine. If you guys text in this keyword demo to 319-250-6868 or scan this QR code, it'll basically set a series of events in motion. So the keyword is a trigger. Once that fires off, it's going to send back a text message. Then it's going to send a voicemail drop. Then it waits 1 minute, and it will send another text message. In that second text message, we have a trigger link, which is a link to my website. And basically, if someone clicks that link, the system is checking for that. So if they click that link, it's going to wait 1 minute and send them another text message based on that link click. So the trigger link sends them to my site. Basically, a minute later, it's like, hey, I saw you were checking out the site. If you have any questions, just reply back. Anytime they click a link, it moves them in the pipeline so you can visually see, which leads have engaged with your campaign. Here's kind of the workflows inside the app. Basically, it starts with a trigger. In this case, it was a Facebook lead coming in. Then you would just fire actions after the trigger. So in this one, we have an email, we have a wait step, we have a text message, then we have a call, which is a sales bridge call. So basically, you could put yourself in here or someone from your team. It's going to call their phone, play a whisper message like, hey, you've got a new Facebook lead, press 1 to connect now. And they can be on the phone within, a minute of that opt-in, which is super powerful. So you could be going about your day and get leads coming in, hot leads, right to your phone and connect within the first 5 minutes, which drastically increases conversions. And then you can also add them to a pipeline stage, which just makes it easily to visually track them through your system. This is kind of how the pipeline looks. So the contact will come in as a card. You can see all your conversation history right here. You've got a phone. You can directly dial them from the pipeline if you want, right here. You can add tags, and these tags can also trigger different automations in the system. You can assign a user if you want, create follow-up tasks. Once they're in the pipeline, you can also create different stages. Like this is a follow-up stage. If I were to drag this card over and drop it in the follow-up stage, that could trigger a sequence for me automatically. So basically, this will save people a lot of time, give them a visual way to track leads through their CRM, and they can create workflows specific for their business. We've also got a calendar app kind of built into the system. So this is what it looks like, kind of like a Calendly style. People can come here. You can set your availability. They can book directly on your calendar. And once they book an appointment, you'll see them on your calendar view here. You can click this, edit the event, reschedule, cancel, stuff like that from your calendar view. And once they confirm their appointment, it will also fire follow-up reminders. Like, hey, 24 hours from now, our appointment's going to start. Do you need to reschedule? Do you need to cancel? Click these links. And hopefully that will increase your show-up rate to your appointments. We've also got a website and funnel builder. So for you guys who are thinking about partnering as resellers, I can create these funnels for you and just push them into your accounts. So I've been in the kind of funnel, digital marketing space for about 2 years, 3 years now. I got pretty decent at design and conversions. So this will be a nice bonus for you guys who might not have that background and the tech skills to actually build websites and funnels. I can do some done for you stuff. Just push it into your account. You can edit some details that you want to edit and just push the site live and start getting trials on your software. We also have the custom chat widget here. You can customize this to your brand, to your colors, all that stuff. And this will start getting leads for you. You can put it on the funnels and websites I give you and on any other funnels and websites you want to. One of the cool things I found was this app that I can do live chat support and build out a help desk on. So this will be not only on my website, but inside the app in the bottom right corner here. When people are logged in, they can click this chat and it will expand. They can message me directly through that chat and my support team. And there'll also be help desk articles I'll be continuing to build out. So this will help with, adoption in the beginning, onboarding people, and also retention. And just having a database of help articles like this that you can send people is a good way to get new users as well. Like, hey, look how this feature works, So that's something I'll be building out. Here's some of the branding stuff I've done so far. If you guys want, you can get a snapback, a hoodie, or a t-shirt and use that in your videos and stuff if you want to promote the software. And that's like the quick and dirty 10-minute partnership overview. So pricing wise, for this kind of beta launch phase, what I'm going to do is pretty much charge $2,000 a year if people want to go that route, or it'd be a $5,000 one-time fee. And that will basically lock you in for those 100 reseller accounts. And then following years, if I add more, features and stuff like that, you guys would still be locked in, but I may increase the price on the partnership in the future. So if you guys are interested, basically I just have a scheduling page I can send you to. Book a call with me. You'll see some of the follow-up reminders we can do, how we can automate things. I have videos on YouTube I'm continuing to pump out, which you guys should do as well if you become partners, showing the power of the software to people, to business owners, whoever needs leads and follow-up. This is going to look like magic to them, some of these features, because it's so powerful. So I'm super excited about it. I had some issues with the other partnership I was in, so I'm just doing my own thing now. Some of you might know about that, some might not, but this is going to be the platform I build on. It'll be my kind of foundational software, and I can continue to add more and more to this over time. So with that being said, I'm going to stop the recording for now, and then we can jump into some conversations if you guys have questions, and we'll do some software demos and stuff if you guys want to see that. All right, so that was a live partner meeting, the first partner meeting. And if you guys are interested in learning more about the partner program, or you think you might be a good fit for the partner program, go ahead and just schedule a call below. All you have to do is pick a date and time that works for you. So say you wanted to schedule for 1:30 on this date, just select date, fill out your info here. You'll get some automated reminders for our appointment, which is part of our Legendary Leads follow-up. And I'll see you on the call. I can answer any questions that you might have. If you have a specific use case you're wondering about, we can chat about that as well. And hopefully we can partner going forward on the software. So be sure to schedule a call, and I'll talk to you soon.